What is your funniest, most unexpected moment you've ever experienced on a construction site?
In the early stages of doing the haunted house and the corn maze, I wasn't there officially, but our infamous story is that my brother was building the rooms for the haunted house, and they had a nightly visitor, and it was a massive, courageous raccoon that would come in and put his hands underneath the doors and visit them and come in and eat their Cheetos and mess up all of their snacks in the middle of the night while they were out there working. They didn't know exactly what it was, but they kept hearing it, so it was scaring the shit out of them. And that's kind of why we all have raccoons in our office, actually. So, but yeah, it's a very internal joke that we were being haunted by the coons, and they were coming in, they were eating Cheetos.